This is Adnan Kadiri. I'm the head of sales for Middle East, and I've been with RAK Porcelain for past 7 years. RAK Porcelain is a UAE-based manufacturer of high aluminium porcelain tableware for the HORECA industry, with a global presence in more than 160 countries. Our European headquarters is based at Luxembourg, while we operate from New York in the United States of America. We consider trade fairs and exhibition as a platform to showcase our products and our services to the market, which enable us to let our customer know that not only we are into manufacturing of mid-range, but we are also into manufacturing of high-end products as well for the five-star hotels. That Saudi Arabia is considered as a financial hub for the Middle East, wherein the traders from across the Middle East gather at a single place to source products, which is like a one-stop shop for them. We have been participating at the hotel show for the past 4 years, and I would say we have been able to generate a good amount of leads, which has ultimately helped us to penetrate the market as well as to promote our products and services. Well, I consider that a hotel show Saudi Arabia attracts people from the food and hospitality industry, which is ultimately our main targets. And this has helped us to strengthen our brand presence in the region.